In this video, I'll be showing you a new strategy that has had a 91% win rate after testing it 100 times. I'll try to make this video as short as possible to save you guys some time. But make sure to watch the whole video because every second is going to be very important. If you are ready, let's start. First, you'll need to change the time frame to the 5-minute time frame. Now we need to change the regular candlesticks to the Heiken Ashi candlesticks. Now it's time to add the necessary indicators to the chart. The first indicator is the ADX and DI Histogram. Make sure you choose the one made by Scarf. Now we will go to the settings section and apply the same settings as I am applying. Change all the green colors to one green color. Then change all red colors to one red color. Deselect the DI line and the ADX checkboxes. We won't be needing them. But rest assured, this is a profitable strategy. Just follow the steps carefully. Now it's time to add one of the most useful indicators to the chart that many of you may not have used before. The name of this indicator is SL Hybrid. Select the one made by Mickle00. Now we need to go the indicator settings and uncheck all of the checkboxes. We will only leave the bar color checkbox in the selected state. We only need that checked for the strategy. If you did all the steps correctly, your chart will look like this. Now it's time to tell you how to trade. To enter a position, there must be two conditions to enter the trade. I will explain the entering for a buy position to you first, and then I will explain how to enter the sell position. Watch carefully until the end to learn all the reasons to enter the trade. Let's start. To enter the buy position, the histogram have changed from red to green. When the histogram changes from red to green, we look at the chart candlesticks. If the current candlestick color is blue and does not have a lower or bearish wick, we can enter the buy position. Our entry point is at the close of the candle. We will put the stop loss a few pips below the entry candle or at the recent swing low. We will then set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. As you can see, the position closed with a profit. Now I will tell you how to enter the sell position so that you can make a profit even when the market is bearish. But before that, to enter a sell position, the histogram must change from green to red. When the histogram changes from green to red, we look at the candlesticks of the chart. If the current candle is red and has no higher or bullish wick, we can enter the sell position. Our entry point will be at the close of the candlestick. We'll put the stop loss a few pips higher than this candlestick or at the recent swing highs. Next, we will set the take profit at 1.5 times the stop loss. This strategy has been back-tested and has had a win rate of 91%. Please like this video, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them.